Hey guys, and welcome to new talking hands video. Today we're gonna have industrial endoscope from AliExpress. So before I had a video about endoscopes and I had a very cheap one. I believe it was like $7 or something. So check out the links in the description of this video on my channel. Today we have a little bit more expensive one. All the links are in the description. It is $22 and it has two lenses, but of course they said that it has HD pixel. Oh my god, what do they mean? Smart chip, IP67, LED light, hard cable, and large capacity battery. Yep, so let's check it out. So why I decided to order it and review it is because the previous one, the very cheap one, you always needed a phone to use it, and I don't like it because I don't have my phone always with me, or maybe I need to check out on my phone something like manual and so on, and I don't want to use it for both purposes. Here you have the endoscope with the screen already, so you don't need the phone. It's Type-C, so that's nice. Not micro USB, thank you. And accessories. Oh, sorry, of course, forgot about manual. Manual has a lot of languages. Has English, Japanese, I'm not sure. This one is not sure. But it has English, so okay. In terms of accessories, we get, let's check out. Don't tear it. So we have some extra mounts, because I believe they're plastic and they could break, so we have some extras. That's good. Plus we have the mirror, the magnet, and lastly we have the hook. And let's check out the device. It is pretty lightweight, so easy to hold, and has a good shape with a good grip, so very easy to hold. I like it. My model has two cameras, so one, the regular one with the light, and the side one. Because this is not mechanically operated cable, you can't like from the control to rotate it or something, so sometimes it's a good opportunity if you're in a tight space and you're putting it like this, to see on the side on the wall, right, when you can't rotate like this. So let's check out. We have a power button, so let's turn it on. Here we have reset and USB-C. Okay, here's the screen. Not pretty bad. So resolution is not the best. It's not like 4K or 1080p, but actually more than enough. For example, let's check out some text. Could you see it? I think you can see it easily. Camera 33. Yeah, pretty nice. So what buttons you have here? We have, let me make it closer. So we have rotation, so we can rotate the picture 180, and the funny part, look at the battery. It's rotating like the whole picture. We have some filters to turn it monochrome or colored. Also intensity of the light, we can turn it off, 60%, 80%, and 100%. Also you can put some contrast and a little bit of zoom up to 2x. And basically that's it. And if you hold the 180 button, you will switch to side cameras. Hello, that's me. And then you can also rotate it, so that's nice. That's me. Boom, 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 boom. In the camera. Where is the camera? Right in the camera. And switch back to this one. And of course, on the second lens, you have all the same functions. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can rotate, you can apply like monochrome, you can apply contrast, you can turn off the light turn it on. So yeah, basically all the functions. And for the test, let's go there, and I will try to put it in my dark backpack and try to read the label. And by the way, the seller has several different lengths for the cable. I chose the 1 meter one. I don't need more. Okay, so let me show you the setup. So in my backpack we have the camera, and I will try to read the barcode, the label, on one of the things that I have there. Okay, let's explore. What do I have here? Okay, it is not what I need. Oh. Okay, this is the side pocket. Okay, I understand, this is a side pocket. This is a side pocket, and I have my flashlight there. So no 2x. I need the regular. Yeah, so this is the flashlight. You can see the power button in here. Okay, let's go. I don't need in the pocket. Okay, here it is. I can see it. That's like the real test for this camera, because this is a very hard to reach place. So it takes a little time and practice, I would say. One second. Actually, I have just realized that the label was like in the wrong orientation and you could not read it. So let's try one more time. Let's straighten the cable. It can hold the shape. It is plus and minus. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Okay, we are going down the rabbit hole. Oh, it's very difficult to understand what I'm doing. Opa. I hope you can see it. Yeah, success. You can see the label and read the numbers, right? 4987301012080. Yeah, and here is the not very good part of this device, is that you can't take any pictures or like videos from it, and that's why it's very difficult. If, for example, if you found something, for example, oh, okay, close, or for example, specific numbers. Let's imagine that you want this one. It's a very important number and you need to take a photo of it or remember it. You can't do it. Or if you see like the scar or the scratch in your cylinder in the car or something like that, and you can't do it. So yeah. Otherwise, for example, to check out how much braking pads you have, or to check out the part number or the leakage, for example, do you have a leakage or not? Oh, it's a pretty good device for the money. Okay guys, what do you think?